JackJackPlays!
What do you got, Jack?
I got all the kinds of trucks.
All kinds of trucks? What kinds are there?
Construction.
All right, I see a dump truck, a cement mixer, a front loader, and
Excavator.
an excavator. Let's open it up.
Yeah.
Rip it open, Jack.
Let's be mad to the box.
Oh, I'm so mad at the box.
Yeah. So rip it up.
There's a lot of twisty ties, Jack. We are gonna get mad.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jack?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get these horrible twisty ties. Ah. Yep. Let's turn it over.
Oh, that's fine.
Most of them are coming out now. Uh-oh. Twisties on the bottom.
This one's really falling out.
I got it.
Oh, the front one fell out.
There it is.
And here it fell out. The cement mixer fell out. Get this out. Here, go. Okay, get. Oh, I just ruined this. Ow.
Ain't anything. Hey, Jack, can you show us these trucks?
Yeah.
What's that one?
It's a dump.
Do those buttons do anything? Oh no, is this going to be another annoying one?
No, it's not.
Is it ever going to turn off?
It turned off like that. It turned off for a little bit. Yeah.
I wonder if they all make the same noise. Pretty much. What does that lever do?
It's the whole.
Kind of like that, huh?
Dump truck.
It's a dump truck. Does it have a load of sand in it?
Yep.
Awesome.
But we have to help dig it. Have to dig this hole really deep. This hole's gonna be good. We're making a pipeline.
A pipeline? What's going to go through the pipeline? Pipe stuff?
No, it's rocks.
Rocks go through the pipe. Wow, that's an interesting pipeline.
Don't carry anything.
Oh, this guy swivels.
So we load sand in this.
Show the kids how that spins. That's pretty cool. That thing spins pretty nice, huh? You have to go to the asphalt making center? Where's that?
So I dumping. So go.
Go.
Dumping.
Oh, that's so cool.
See now the dirty bed.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, excavator.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Here, are you lining them up for me?
Okay.
Now that's a good picture, Jack. What are you gonna show us?
Ta-da!
Is it like a transformer?
Look, it's a rescue bot that turned into a front loader.
A front loader rescue bot. I wonder if there is such a thing. Oh well, there is Boulder, right? But he's a bulldozer.
This is lifter.
Ha ha ha.
It transforms. I'll show you how an excavator transforms.
How does it transform? Like that? I don't think it's gonna stay up on its arm. Oh, it does it like that? I like it.
Yes, that's the rescue box.
Ah.
They transform. And they roll to the construction site, and they start.
They roll to the construction rescue?
Yeah. They rescue people who's in rocks or in sand that buried. They were buried in sand.
Is that how the dump truck transforms?
Yep.
Just stays up like that? That's interesting.
This mixer transforms like that.
Cool.
And this transforms like this.
Cool. They're driving on Molly. I don't think she likes it.
Bye kids, don't forget to subscribe. See you later, bye.
Bye everybody.
I think you need dirt in this shovel.
Hi kids, did you see the hidden surprise egg? If so, write its color in the comments below.